So here we are, we're down cutting more trees down out of the septic field area. I think we got about 6 more of them to go, and then we'll be done, and then hopefully we'll get a few of the stumps pulled today. And I think we'll be, and we're not just cutting trees, we got thousands of trees here, but there's just a few of them that are still in the way.
I think that we're gonna get them though. We need to get that septic field cleaned up. I've been trying to clean it up so he can cut. Anyway.
And cutting the trees isn't the issue, it's the pulling the stumps out of the ground that takes the time.
And I like to do that, so he's fortunate.
If you've enjoyed this video, give it a like and a share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell.